Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to share location on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Google Maps. Then we have to find ourselves. As you can see right here is our location, so we have to click on our icon and then we have to click show location and we can choose whatever type of social media or just communicator that we want to share our location. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!